Today, let me show you how to make some whipped cocoa body butter, which does wonders for dry and itchy skin and also for stretch marks. Here's what we need. We need 4 ounces of unrefined cocoa butter. Make sure it's unrefined so it smells like chocolate. 4 ounces of jojoba oil, 4 ounces of coconut oil, and the pulp of 1 vanilla bean. You want to grab a heat-proof bowl. Put your cocoa butter, jojoba oil, and coconut oil in it. Create a homemade double boiler with a little bit of water in a pan. Put your bowl in it at low heat. Alright, so here's what it looks like after about 15 minutes on a double boiler. Make sure all the chunks of cocoa butter are melted. Then you want to cover it and put it in your refrigerator for about an hour. While that it's cooling in the fridge, take the vanilla bean, make sure it's straight, and I massage the sides a little bit to make sure it's easier for me to cut all the way down to the end of the bean, and then you open it up a bit, and that's the pulp. I scrape that out, put it in a bowl, and then I will add that to the whipped body butter right at the whipping step. I love vanilla beans. I'm a bit obsessed, and I like to add a little surprise elements to my body butter, so this is what this is. It doesn't have a function for your skin. It's just a fun thing to add. Alright, so this is what it looks like when it's completely cooled off. Break it off so it's easier to whip. Add the pulp of the vanilla bean, stir it up, and then whip it for about 5 minutes on medium speed. And here it is, a whipped cocoa body butter that is just amazing for your skin, especially going into winter for that dry and itchy skin. So just put it up in your favorite jars and voila, it's ready to go.